We're here with the coach of the winning team today. Coach Raymond, speak to us about today's performance, coach.
I'm happy for the victory. We know we are a better team than the opponents, and it's just that we didn't show it on the last occasion. But today we came out here and we showed that we are the better team.
What areas of focus would you guys have paid keen attention today? Like, what did you guys want to change, or what did you guys alter coming into today's game that made it so different from the last?
The keeper was giving up a lot of rebounds. We saw that, and also their backline, they sat deep. So we decided that we are going to be in and around their area. We're going to press them, and we decided also that we're going to be a little bit more patient with the ball and pick the right passes.
All right, coach. So 9 goals in one game. That sounds so ridiculous to say, especially in the second round. Speak to us about how it feels to be on the victorious end of such a thumping.
It's always a good feeling to win. However, this does not give us a trophy. So it's just another day at the office, another day at work. And always happy to score a lot of goals. But remember, we'll need the goals to be coming continuously. And if we fail to achieve or move forward further in the competition, no one will remember this performance.
All right, coach, you would have expected to win this game coming into this game, but did you expect to win it by such a wide margin?
Most definitely.
One-worded answer. And the man of the hour, the Jean Whisper shot, scoring a resounding 5 goals and getting 3 assists to boot. I'm sure you've been asked this question a million times, but I'm going to ask it 1,000,001. Speak to us about the Jean Richards' performance.
Wonderful, fantastic, brilliant, amazing.
And he himself was hard on himself. You know, he believed that he could have done better. This or that Sports TV conducted an interview with him, and he said he believes that he's capable of scoring 7. So he was a bit disappointed. What would you say in response to his answer to his performance?
I'm also involved in that 7-goal talk with him, and he wanted to score 7, but he was involved in 8. So I thought he did more than, you know. I'm short of words to describe the Jean Richards. He's just a special kid.
And the 9th goal would have also been a rebound that would have come from a whisper shot as well. So you have been involved in 9. Coach, I think going forward you might come under some scrutiny from the folks at this or that Sports TV for leaving him on for 90 minutes in a game that was done and dusted, coach. Speak to us about your thought process in making such a decision.
Somewhere along the line he has to be out there for 90 minutes, and it's just preparation moving forward. So whenever we need him for 90 minutes, we have to start preparing for that.
And in the 90th minute, there was a jump scare where he kind of got stuck in the ground. Didn't you at any moment regret leaving him on for 90 minutes when you saw that happen?
Most definitely. I know nothing was wrong with him.
Oh, you know it was okay?
I definitely knew he was.
And okay. You would play him for 90 in a game like this again if you had the chance?
The games are different. He was almost on target to scoring his 7 goals, and just leave him out there. He was on top of his game, enjoying himself, so just leave him out there. And as I said, somewhere along the line we have to be getting him to play 90 minutes. So the opportunity came and we just took it.
All right, coach, going forward, Champions Cup, Manning Cup, what can we expect from Kingston College, and what can you guys take from such a performance?
Going forward, whatever happened here today doesn't matter. So we'll have to just go back to the drawing board and the training pitch and do what we have to do. Each opponent will be different. Each trophy will be different. The crowd support will be different. So we can't take anything based on what happened here today.
And coach, lastly, what do you have to say to all the people who would have doubted KC because of that 0-0 performance versus Marti?
I know the true KC followers didn't doubt us. I know the real Fortis out there didn't doubt us one bit. For those who did,
absolutely nothing. And there you have it. Thank you so much for talking to us, coach. Good game.